In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the lead owner in Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user looking to brush up on your skills, or a newbie trying to navigate the platform, this video will guide you through the process with ease. Changing a lead owner in Salesforce is a crucial task that helps ensure leads are managed by the appropriate team members based on their expertise and availability. So let's dive right into the step-by-step procedure to accomplish this. First, we begin by clicking on the app launcher, which is typically found at the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. Once you've opened the app launcher, use the search bar to type in leads. The search will return a list of relevant applications, and you'll want to select the one simply labeled leads. Now that you've accessed the leads section, it's time to locate the specific lead whose ownership you wish to change. Find their name in the list provided and click directly on it. This will take you to that lead's detailed profile page, where all their information is laid out for easy access. Here, you'll find various essential details about the lead. On the lead's details page, look for the owner field. Typically, this field displays the name of the current owner along with an accompanying change owner icon situated next to it. Go ahead and click on this icon, which will prompt the system to display a new window or panel where you'll carry on with the transfer process. In the window that opens, you can now choose the new user or queue you want to assign the lead to. This is where you must decide who the best individual or team is to handle this particular lead. Selecting a queue might be more appropriate if your lead management involves a team instead of an individual. If notifying the new owner is something you'd like to do, simply check the send notification email box available in the same panel. Checking this option ensures that the new owner receives an email alerting them of the change, helping them stay updated, and allowing for a more seamless transition for all involved. Once you've made all necessary changes and are satisfied with your selections, it's time to finalize everything. Do so by clicking the Change Owner button located at the bottom of the panel or window. This action will complete the transfer, updating the lead's profile to reflect the new ownership. And there you have it, you've just successfully changed the lead owner in Salesforce. This straightforward process not only enhances your workflow but also ensures that leads are being nurtured by the right person. Remember, effective lead management is key to optimizing your sales process and delivering the best results. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more Salesforce tutorials.